Hey there, Tamir from FIBONACCI.com, your midday market recap for June 5th, 2024. How are you this evening, this afternoon, this night? It's already 12 a.m. here in China. Where are you from in the world? What is the time? Where are you from? Say hi, don't be shy. Let's see what a SPY is for now. SPY is 0.67 to the upside. QQQ 1.4 to the upside. IWM gaining 1.2 and the Dow Jones gaining 0.15 to the upside. This is how it looks. This is the SPY 65 minutes. As you can see, we opened up. Now it's lunchtime, so some kind of a pullback retracement will be super healthy. Back to the 531. This is the 65 minutes on the QQQ. This is how it looks. Open up with a gap to the upside. 457 now is the support, and as you can see, we are with a new all-time highs on the QQQ. Slowly, bulls are continue their run fast forward. Next is the 466 and 472. Let's check the Dow Jones on the daily. This is how the SPY looks on the daily. Look at this. We are, in my opinion, already new all-time highs intraday, new all-time highs on the SPY. What is this? Line with markers, I don't know. What is this? This is new. This is new on TradingView. What does it mean? End of each day. Nice. Anyway, SPY intraday, new all-time highs. QQQ intraday, new all-time highs. We can clean the chart. QQQ is heading towards this area over here, the 466, 467. This is your broadening formation on the Q. SPY heading towards, let's see, SPY heading towards here, 535, 537, maybe 530. This is the SPY broadening formation of the SPY. Dow Jones broadening formation is everywhere. Dow Jones bounced nicely off this trend line. Now 0.2 for now to the upside. Next resistance will be, it's already in this resistance, the 388, above it 391, 392, above it 394, and then here and here. IWM with 1.2% to the upside. We have here a double bottom scenario. Now let's see, can IWM close above the 205, and then we will meet 205.80. Above 205.80, we are heading towards the 208, 208.60, and 209 overall. IWM also trying to get back in business. And here you have your broadening formation on the IWM. This area over here, the 207, will be the next resistance. Broadening formations, ladies and gentlemen. This is the only formation where price and how price is moving. Say hi, don't be shy, hit the like, hit the subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. Should we do this live in Hebrew? What do you say? Hi, Itzik. Hi, Shy. Hi, I am Shy. You are Shy? Shy Tamir. My name is Tamir and you are Shy Tamir. Zoik, you want Jumaya? Let's check Jumaya. As you can see, broadening formation. We drew this broadening formation 2 days ago. Now, once again, reaching the 780 area. The 780 area will become the next major resistance on Jumaya, breaking above it, and you can expect a major move to the upside. All you need to do, take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high. Next, we have above this broadening formation, it's the 842 and 943 to the upside. Hi, Tamir, how are you this evening, this afternoon? Where are you from in the world? Let me know. Who else is with me? So basically, all across the board, let's talk about TAN, T-A-N. TAN today, already another 2.3% to the upside. And as you can see, we have here this massive broadening formation. We can take this broadening formation from here. 1 second. From here. This is your new broadening formation. Broadening formation is the only formation how price aggregates. This is your broadening formation on TAN. Let's see, can we get continuation towards the 51? All you need to do, put the FTI 49.50 and then 51.50 and 54 to the upside. Good for you, Asaf. What else do we have? End phase. We got ourselves the alert and the FTI. If you don't know, we have the FTI signals. The FTI signals gives us automatically signals. It gave us long on ENPH once it broke above the 134. Let's see, 134. We are now just below the 134. Let's see continuation. ENPH looking good. Prime to the next level up. 142 and 152. And here you go. If you're looking for the next major resistance, this area, the 142, will be the next major resistance. And here you have this broadening formation on end phase. Broadening formation, ladies and gentlemen, it's the only true formation. You need to understand it. Hi Asaf, thank you very much for joining. Itzik, what do you think about Netflix? Let's check Netflix. Netflix bouncing. The 50% retracement holding nice in the past 4 trading days. The 627 is holding nice, breaking above. I want to see another. You know what? If today will close above the 636 area, you are good to go long on Netflix. Be careful from this support. If this support will break to the downside, you are heading south to the 591. But overall, Netflix looking very, very good. And here you have another broadening formation on Netflix. Reaching the 668, maybe the 670 will be a very tough resistance. So pay attention to your broadening formation. Can we check Mara? Yes, we can check Mara. Mara basically moving sideways. We talked about this in the pre-market preparations, and we are talking about this name in the past few days. And I say, yes, it's inside an uptrend channel since middle of April, but since middle of March, each and every candle that goes by, each and every day that goes by, we are seeing lower highs and lower lows. I want to see at least a weekly close above the 2055 to the above, closing a weekly close above the 260, and then we can start thinking long about Mara. What else do we have? What's more interesting names? Let's check. VRSN, VeriSign, double bottom scenario. Nice from the 168. This one of our Fibonacci Traders Discord member gave us this name. Now let's see, break above this major downtrend line since middle of January. 5 months, 4.5 months of a downtrend, long continuation. I want to see break above this area, above the 160, 179, 180, and then we will see 183 and 187. We are long in the Fibonacci Traders. What else do we have? Interesting. Roblox went all the way and now hanging above the 50% retracement. And as long as we are above the 50% retracement, as long as you are above the 34 area, above the lower board of this yellow zone, we are good to go long. Your stop, just follow the green label. The FTI gives you everything that you need. Just one click away, you have buy signal, sell signal, and this green line together with this green label shows you where to put the stop loss. You don't need to think, just act accordingly. Now you have this major broadening formation on Roblox. Let's see the area, the upper red line together with this open gap at the 39 will be the next major resistance, and there we might close this long. Why? Because we know the upper border of the broadening formation, usually we are seeing retracement, and also once a gap is getting filled, also we know that once a gap is getting filled, let me open the AC, not the AC, the vent, because it's starting to get super humid here. It's like 35 degrees with raining. It's like 100% humidity. It's crazy. Reminds me of Thailand, but it's not Thailand, it's China. What else do we have? Mara, we talked about Nvidia and the 5-minute chart. Let's check Nvidia and the 5-minute chart. We have Nvidia over here on the 65-minute chart. You want the 5-minute chart for real. This is how it looks. Opened with a gap up, and then as you can see, since 2 hours ago, just sideways move, nothing much. You can take the FTI, of course, and the FTI gives you everything just a little bit wider, too wide. Let's check the 34 candles, 21 candles, looks good. 21 candles, as you can see, tight price action between the 1198 and the 1200. Breaking above the 1200, you will see 1202 and 1207 to the upside. This is Nvidia on the 5 minutes. MU looking good, breaking above the yellow zone. We got ourselves the buy signal back on the daily, bullish on all time frames, and as long as you are above the 125, you are good to go long on MU. QQQ struggling now. It's halftime, lunchtime. Usually lunchtime, everybody goes to lunch, and the price action is also going to lunch. Price needs to eat. Look at the SPY 15 minutes. As long as we are inside these trend lines, we are going up. Let's take Fibonacci. Swing low, swing high. Now, what do you see? 531.20 is the support. 532.40 is the resistance. Breaking above, continue to slide up, grinding up towards the 534 and 536 to the upside. What else do we have interesting? First Solar, FSLR. After this bull run, we got ourselves in the last 7-8 days consolidation with the 264 area, very important area of support. I'm looking for a break above the 286 and then next leg up towards the 350. Watch FSLR, keep it very, very close. The all-ton section, the all-ton sector, the solar sector, except JKS. Look at JKS, broke inside, back inside the yellow zone. Doji off the 50% retracement. Now, all I'm looking for is tomorrow to break above the 28. AI, also looking pretty good. Grinding up below the green line, but as long as AI price is stuck to this green line, whether from the downside or from the upside, the way is up. Few consolidation days. Let's see, breaking above the 3080, and then we will see 32 and 35 to the upside. ARM continues its way up, uptrend channel until proven otherwise. Bullish on all time frames. Follow the green line. Use the green label as your stop loss, and this area, the 126 area, from support, resistance once again, and now becomes support. We are at the upper border of this uptrend channel. Be careful once you look left. Last time it hit this upper trend line, it got rejected, sunk of a pullback, and then next leg up. So if you're not long yet on ARM, I would wait to see at least a break above and a close above the 133.90 hood. Ladies and gentlemen, hit the like, hit the subscribe. Let's grow this channel together. Hi Aliza, how are you this evening? Hood still moving sideways, struggling to stay inside this uptrend channel, but as long as we are above the upper border of the yellow zone, above the 20 area, we are good to go. But if you're not long yet on hood, I would wait for at least another day above the 21.09. This is my point of view on hood. SN, let's check SN. SN moving sideways inside a very steep uptrend channel, Shark Ninja. But as you can see, since May 20th, just sideways move. If you're not long yet, I would wait for a break above the 78.80 towards 82.50 and 87 to the upside. Breaking below the 76, we are heading back, retesting the upper border of the yellow zone, the 73.80 as support. What else interesting do we have? Let's check intraday for Apple. Apple intraday, this is how it looks, the 65 minutes. Let's clean the chart. Open the day with a doji. Second hour of the day, the second candle of the 65 minutes went up. Now, some kind of a pullback. But Apple is on its way up. We have trend lines to prove it. We need nothing but trend lines. This is our trend lines. We can do it over here. And as you can see, from support, support, resistance, resistance, support, next leg up, we will meet 200 and new all-time highs on Apple. What else do we have? GME. GME, very interesting. Look at GME stuck below the 30.30. I'm waiting for a break above the 30.30 towards the 32 and then 33 and 40.46. Super dangerous playing GME and AMC and BB and all these names. Super dangerous. If you don't know, if you lack the experience, please don't play this because you will get burned. And here we are. We can also take Fibonacci from here. And we are waiting for a break above the 30.60. Consolidation between the 29.40 and the 30.60, breaking up and above. We are starting to get long. And when I say we, I mean the Fibonacci Traders Discord members. You have trading floor in English. You have trading floor in Hebrew. Channel for day traders, channel for swing traders, options room, crypto. Same goes for Hebrew. Day traders, swing traders, futures, general chats, and more and more and more. All under one roof, so make sure you join us in the Fibonacci Traders, link in the description below. Now all we're waiting is for GME to break above. Let's put the order inside interactive. Once it breaks above the 30.60, I'm going long when the stop is at the 29.39. What else do we have? What else do we have? Any other questions? Any other requests? Any other questions? Look at the SPY going sideways. Holding. Look at the 15 minutes futures. Trend line from resistance to support, but it's a good resistance because it's resistance for the higher highs. From resistance for higher highs, now support for the higher lows. And as long as price is stuck to this red line from the downside, from below or from above, the way is up. You also can take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high, and you have everything that you need. Support, future resistance. NRG. NRG bouncing nice, but in my opinion, if you want to go long, I want to see another daily close above the upper border of the yellow zone, above the 82 area. What else do we have? What do you think about DRS? Leonardo DRS, the cousin of Leonardo Fibonacci. Let's clean the chart a little bit. Bounced nicely off the upper border of the yellow zone with a gap up. Close the gap. Now, as long as you are above the 24 area, you're good to go long. Next resistance is the 24.84. Above it, 25.70 and 26.95 to the upside. NIO, nothing much. I had an alert over here. It's not relevant anymore. What happened to my camera? 1 second. What do you see on NIO? Downtrend until proven otherwise. You see this downtrend line from December. Since then, each and every time, price reached, got rejected. I'm waiting. Let's see. Weekly close above the 555. Let's put an alert over here. Weekly close above the 555, and then we can start thinking long position on NIO. But the 605 also will be a very tough resistance. Look left, trade right. You can see that all this area, the 605, 620 is very, very tough resistance. NVTS, Navitas Semiconductor, broke above the downtrend channel. Nice downtrend channel, broke above few days back. Now also above the yellow zone. We have a double bottom scenario. Next leg up, you will see 454, 480, above 480, 566 incoming. Very nice. I will put it on my watch list. Thank you very much for bringing this name to my attention. Very nice. What else do we have? EA looking good. At the upper border of the broadening formation. Broadening formation, ladies and gentlemen, it all comes down to broadening formation, trend lines, broadening formation, and Fibonacci. Now with this kind of doji, we might go and retest the 135 and maybe the 134.40 as support. It was resistance. It needs to get retested as support before the next leg up towards 142 and 146. If you're not long yet on EA, I would wait to see how today or maybe tomorrow will close. Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin on the 4 hours. Now, look at this. Bitcoin, 4 hours, new. I thought new all-time highs, but we are still far from new all-time highs. Not so far, but we are less than 3% from new all-time highs. This is Bitcoin. The 75.80 is the support. This is the resistance. Above it, 73.160 and 75K to the upside. WGS. Ladies and gentlemen, all I want is I bring to you 2 lives every day. I bring to you 2 videos every day. All I want in return is your like and subscribe. GeneDX Holdings, GeneDX. You have this broadening formation, very nice broadening formation. We are almost at the upper border of the broadening formation. Watch out of this area. This will be the next major resistance, the 29 more or less. This is your broadening formation. We need to know our broadening formation. If you're already long, congratulations, depends where you took long, and all you need is this green label to show you where to put your stop loss. Looks like SPY bounced off this trend line. We are long on the SPY since few hours ago. I don't remember when, but I think from here we took SPY long intra 4. GME is crossing. Let's check GME. GME, we got ourselves this alert. Look at GME. We got an alert on GME. Now let's see. can we get this break above? Let's wait a few more seconds to see if GME can bring us what we want, the break towards 39.20. All we need is 5%, not bad. For the next resistance, not bad at all. We can take also Fibonacci from here and here. This is the new, like this. Swing low, swing high. Next is the 32.15. We're still waiting. The alert just gave us to be alert, but we are waiting for a break and a close. 15 minutes candle close above the 30.75, and then we will start taking long position on GME towards 32.15. If it will reach the 34, we will be super happy with this day trade that will give us around 10-11%, but patience. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to take trades like this and many more setups for day trades, for swing trades, join the Fibonacci Traders Discord today. You will not regret it. You don't need to wait for the end of the month or something like this. It's 30 days since you sign up, and you also get all Discord channels and the FTI on your chart. So sign today. You will have all the tools and you will have great ideas. You will have access to the day trading, swing trading, A+ setups, and of course you trade with me. I'm all hours in the Discord. Support you and all the rest of the members. So make sure you join us. You will not regret it. I promise you that you will not regret it. I'm not long on silver yet. I want to see it close above for a few days. Let's check SLV. SLV, we have a double top scenario. Below the 2660, you will see 2482. You are waiting for a break above the 27. Might be to go long above the 27, 28 maybe. Need to wait and see. For now, bearish. Need to wait and see because you are under the pressure of this double top scenario. But yeah, 2-3 days above it and you can start your long on SLV as long as you know where to put your stop loss. Any other questions? Any other requests, ladies and gentlemen? If not, this is the time to wrap up this midday market review. Let's go over quickly on Apple on the daily with another doji at the upper border of this uptrend channel. Amazon trying to get back to life, but we are still below this red line. Microsoft getting back to life. Look at Microsoft heading to close this gap at the 425 area. Nvidia, and this is the beast. Nothing will stop Nvidia now. On the way to 1800, in my opinion, 1400 and then 1700. Netflix, another daily close above the 636, and we can start taking long. AMD holding above this uptrend line. Let's see AMD closing above the 170, weekly close above the 170, and then we will take seriously long on AMD. Tesla, another day, another doji, hanging barely as you can see inside this triangle. Google broke this channel. Now we are still above the upper border of the yellow zone. Meta with 1.9% closed this gap, but now we have this gap. Meta likes its gaps. Not sure what to do with Meta. Stay tuned for the weekly market recap. MicroStrategy trying to break above this red line, long above the 1740, and you will see new all-time highs at the 2090. SMCI 4.34% to the upside, but still below this downtrend line. Shopify we are waiting for a close above the 61 area to start going long on Shopify. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining this live. I do appreciate each and every one of you. Just hit the like, subscribe, check the link, check the links in the description below. Choose your path to financial freedom with me, Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders. Until the next video, until the next live, stay safe.